File handling. File handling is a crucial aspect of programming that allows you to read from and write to files on your computer. In Python, file handling is straightforward and flexible, allowing you to work with various file types and perform operations such as reading, writing, and appending data. In this section, we'll cover how to handle files in Python. First, opening a file. Before you can read from or write to a file, you'll need to open it. You can open a file using the open function, which takes two arguments, the file path and the mode in which you want to open the file. Example, you want to open it for reading, this is read mode, writing, write mode, appending, append mode. So you can call something like this. Here's an example where I'm saying open example.text and I'm saying passing the parameter r, which says I want it to open it for reading. Reading from a file. Once a file is opened, you can read its content using various methods. The most common method is read, which reads the entire contents of a file as a string. So you can say content equal to file, which is you opened before, file.read, and then print the content from it. Other methods for reading from a file include readline, which reads a single line from the file, and readlines, which reads all the lines of the file into a list. Writing to a file. To write data to a file, you'll need to open it in the write mode, which is W. If the file does not exist, it will be created. If it already exists, its contents will be overwritten. So you have to be careful. So here is an example where I'm saying file equal to open example.text, the same file in write mode. Then I can say file write hello world to it, and it will overwrite to the existing component contents. If the file has not available, it will create that file and then write this text in there. Appending to a file. To append data to an existing file without overwriting its contents, you can open the file in the append mode. So if you don't want to accidentally overwrite something, you can use the A, which is the append parameter for appending a file. So you open the example text and pass A, and I'm saying file write. I'm saying write this data in a new line, so that's why I'm giving /n and I'm passing new content to it. Closing a file. After you're done working with a file, it's essential to close it using the close method to free up system resources. If you see here, this is how you close it. You just use that file variable and just say close. It's easy. Using the with statement. To ensure that a file is properly closed after you're done working with it, you can use the with statement, which automatically closes the file when you're done with it. So you can say with open example.txt and read as a read mode, and you say as file. So it's assigned the file opened to the file variable. Then you say content equal to file.read, so you read from there, and then print content. Using the with statement is recommended because it's more concise and ensures that files are closed properly even if an error occurs while processing them. File handling is critical skill for any Python programmer, as it allows you to interact with external data sources such as text files, CSV files, and more. Mastering file handling techniques will enable you to build powerful and flexible Python applications that can read and write data to files effectively.